In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Hostinger and build your own website. If you're eager to dive into the world of web hosting and website creation, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this journey step by step so you can confidently set up your website without any hitches. First, let's head over to the Hostinger website. It's your gateway to unlocking the potential of your online presence. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Hostinger's homepage. Here, you'll find a clean and user-friendly interface designed to provide you with both affordability and quality service. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with their site, as this will be your central hub for all things hosting related. Next, you'll need to select a hosting plan that fits your needs. Hostinger offers a variety of plans, each tailored to different requirements and budgets. Whether you are just starting out with a simple blog or launching an e-commerce platform, there's a plan for you. Consider factors like the amount of storage you need, the number of websites you plan to run, and any additional features that may benefit your specific project. If you're unsure, don't worry. Hostinger provides detailed comparisons and information to help you make an informed decision. Once you've settled on the perfect hosting plan, it's time to register or log in. If you're a new user, creating an account is straightforward. Simply enter your email address and set a secure password. If you're an existing user, log in using your credentials. Having your account set up allows you to manage your hosting services, domains, and more from a centralized dashboard. Now, let's proceed to the checkout and payment part. After confirming your hosting plan, continue to the checkout. Hostinger makes the payment process seamless and secure, offering multiple payment options. Review your order to ensure all details are correct, including any add-ons or promotions you might be interested in. Once you've double-checked everything, complete your payment. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly containing all the details about your purchase and what to do next. With the foundation laid, it's time to start building your website. Hostinger provides easy-to-use tools to get you up and running. From their user-friendly control panel, you can install content management systems like WordPress with just a few clicks. Explore their built-in website builder if you prefer a more hands-on approach. Don't forget to check out their tutorials. These resources are invaluable as you bring your creative vision to life. And there you have it, the initial steps to begin your journey with Hostinger. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to establishing a strong online presence. Embrace this opportunity to create something unique and impactful. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best on your web hosting and building adventure.